Alright folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a new coax cable I purchased at eBay. That's a low loss 100-foot cable with N connectors on both ends. I could have opted to buy an entire wheel, and I think it comes with 200 feet or so. And that will cost me a lot of money that I didn't want to invest right now. So although I'll pay more per feet at this point, I just needed no more than 100 feet of this cable, so that should be okay. The great thing here is this is a US made cable, and it is the real thing. I'm gonna show you, and that's from eBay. Again, you can get good stuff at eBay. So let's open the package. It came in a box. I threw away the box already. I know the cable was good, so I'll just open how it came. As you can see here, it really came pretty much well packed, right? Nice plastic wrapped around. Connectors were protected, right? You can see it here. So we're gonna really look into. Oops. Okay. How we're gonna move this a little bit to the left? Okay. All right. Let's cut it open and see how it looks like. Alright, that's fun. Okay, let's do some tapes here. And I want to even expose the insulation to the cutting edge of the knife, so I'll be very careful here. And this is a nice plastic, man. It's really sturdy. Okay. Well, a bonus here. Let me see if I can show you the bonus quickly here. It came with a adapter. It's right angle adapter for the N connector. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Helps, wrong side. Okay. Ah man. Okay. Cooler now. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah. All right. That's the adapter right here. And you can see it's an N connector. Cool. So let's come back to the wire now. Okay. And again, I showed you, came well packed. There's the 100 feet label here. So I guess measured this thing before. Pretty sturdy, pretty heavy, and this is the good stuff. Let me show you what I mean by good stuff. Again, connectors protected, and connector right here, okay, well adapted. And let me put this on the proper side so you can capture this with the camera. And you can see this is the real deal. Let's see if we can get this to you so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, move the tripod a little bit. Yeah, all right. Okay. Oops, too much. Yeah, now you can see that. This is the LMR-400, right? Coax cable from Times Microwave Systems. And as you can see, it is the real deal with all the markings, including manufacturing date, May 14th this year. And hopefully this will really change my station. I mean, I just got a new antenna, and I think with the new cable I will be able to get some better signal on there. So that's pretty much it. So if you are wondering of those $80 something, 100 feet times microwave cable with end connector on both ends. If they are the real deal, yeah, at least from the dealer I got, it is. It was shipped from the US directly, so that didn't come from China or anything like that. This is a US made cable, very good. And you know, again, it came with a bonus. I had no idea it would come with a bonus here, but it did. So this connector itself should cost some money, right? It cost me, I think, 103, 104 shipped for 100 feet. So it's not bad. A little bit over $1 with connectors and the bonus. So that's it for today. Come back to my channel. I'm uploading videos regularly. And if you like ham radio, electronics, and other stuff that I do, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. So see you next time. Have a great weekend and a great day, a great month, a great year. Back to you, and this is over and out. Bye.